Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss the topic cubes and cube roots. Okay. In the yesterday's live session, we discussed how to find square of a number and how to find square root of a number. Okay. In this live session, we are going to discuss about how to find cube of a number and how to find cube root of a number. Okay. So, first of all, the aspirant must and should know the minimum cubes of from 1 to 10. Okay. So, before going to discuss, I will say what is cube. Okay. So, we can say a power 3 is nothing but a cube. Okay. So, a multiple with a multiple with a. So, we can say as a to the power 3. Okay. So, see here, suppose what is the value of 2 cube means 2 multiple 2 multiple 2, nothing but 2 cube is nothing but 8. Okay. Okay. Right. So, the aspirant must and should know the cubes from 1 to 10. Then after, there is a simple techniques to find the cubes of 11 to 99. Cubes of any 2 digit. Okay, any 2 digit number is very simple technique is there. In this live session, we will discuss that simple techniques, how to find the cubes from 11 to 99. Okay. So, let us start the session. So, first the aspirant must and should know the cubes from 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10. So, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, and the last one 10 cube is 1000. So, it is very mandatory to remember the cubes from 1 to 10. So, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, and the last 10 cube is 2 cube ends with 8. Okay. So, 2 cube ends with 8. Okay. The unit digit of a 2 cube is 8, and if you see here, the unit digit of 8 cube is 2. Okay. So, 2 cube ends with 8, 8 cube ends with 2. Okay. So, 2 cube, see here, 2 cube ends with 8, 8 cubes ends with 2. Okay. Next, if you see that 3 cube ends with 7. Okay. 3 cube ends with 7, 7 cube ends with 3. Okay. 2 cube ends with 8, 8 cube ends with 2, 3 cubes ends with 7, 7 cube ends with 3. So, remaining numbers are same. 1 cube ends with 1, 4 cube ends with 4, 6 cube ends with 6, 5 cubes end with 5, 9 cube ends with 9, and 10. If the unit digit of a number is 0, then the cube value of the number is ends with 0. Okay. So, it is very important to remember the unit digit of a cube from 1 to 10. Why? Because it helps to find the cube root values. It helps to find the cube root values. Suppose a cube root of 512 is, what is the value? If you see that the unit digit is here 2, so we can directly say it is 8 cube. So, in following session, we discuss how to find cube root of a number and how to find cubes of a number from 11 to 99. So, I hope it is clear. 1 cube to 10 cube, and what is the familiarities is given 2 cube ends with 8, 8 cubes ends with 2, 3 cube ends with 7, 7 cube ends with 3. So, here how to find cubes from 11 to 100, 11 to 100. So, how to find 11 cube, 12 cube, 23 cube, 44 cube, 99 cube, okay, right. So, these numbers I classified these numbers by 4 ways. So, what is that? Starting with 1, that is nothing but 11, 12, 13, so on up to 19, okay, and ending with 1, so 21, 31, 41, 51, 91, okay. Next, same number, so 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, so on up to 99, and different number, 2 digits having different number, that is 23, 34, 46, 82 upon so on up to 2 digits. So, here I classified the 2 digit number in 4 ways to find the cubes in less time and simple way. So, starting with 1, 2 digit number, starting with 1, 2 digit number, ending with 1, 2 digit number having same numbers in 2 digits, that is 11, 22, 33, 44, and 2 digits having different numbers, that is 23, 34, 48, 62, some different number, okay. So, these have simple techniques to find cube, okay. So, the background work is same, but to save the time for certain cases we classified the numbers in the 4 ways, okay. So, first we will find the cubes of starting with number. First we will find the cube of a number, the cube of 2 digit number starting with 1, okay, right. So, starting with numbers are say 12, 13, 14, so on up to 19. 11 is there, 11 comes under 2 digits number having same number, okay. So, how to find cubes of 2 digit number that starts with 1, okay. How to find cube of a number, cube of a 2 digit number that starting with 1 in simple way and in less time, okay, right. So, I will take the number 12, okay. So, what is the cube of 12? What is the value of 12 cube? What is the value of 12 cube? If you see that, so we know the values of cubes from 1 to 10, okay. So, now we are going to discuss to find the cubes from starting from 11 to 100. In that we classified in 4 classification, that starting with 1, ending with 1, same numbers, different numbers. Here we are finding with starting with 1, starting with 1. So, how to find 12 cube is 12 is a number that starts with 1. So, if you see that here 12 is there. So, take the first number of 12, 1, okay. Then write 2 as it is, then write 2 as it is, okay. Then after write 2 square. So, 2 square is 4, okay. Then after write 2 cube, 2 cube is 8. So, is it getting? So, one more time, see here. So, 12 cube, 12 is the number starting with 1. So, just write 1 as it is and 2 as it is. 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, okay. So, then next leave the last extreme values here, leave the 8 and 1, and see here middle 2 numbers are there, 2 and 4 is there, just twice the middle number, okay. Are you getting? Just twice the middle number, okay. So, you see here 2, if you twice the 2 we get 4, okay. If you twice the 4 we get 8, Okay, so are you getting? Okay, right. So see here, just write 8 as it is and just sum this number. Okay, 4 plus 8 we get 12. So write 2 here and write 1 here. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Right, write 1 as it is. So 12 cube is 1728. Okay, are you getting? What is the 12 cube? 1728. So one more example starting with 1 in 2-digit number. So if you see that I am taking here 13 cube. 13 cube. So what is the process? Write 1 as it is here. Okay, and write 3 here and write 3 square. What is the 3 square? 3 square is 9. Okay, 9. And write 3 cube. What is the 3 cube? Just now we learned from 1 to 10 cubes. 3 cube is 27. Okay, 27. So leave the last extreme values and twice the middle number. So here middle number is 3. So just twice we get 6. And one more number is 9. Just twice we get 18. Okay, so I hope you are getting. So if the digit is starting with 1, okay, suppose the number is 13, write 1, 3, 3 square, 3 cube. Okay, 1, 3, 3 square, 3 cube. And twice the middle numbers. Here 3 is there, if twice it we get 3, 6. Here 9 is there, if it twice it we get 9, 18. So write, okay, so write unit digit here 7, okay, and here write 2, send 2 to the left side. Okay, so 29 here. Okay, 29. So here we get 11. Okay, if you see that 11. Okay, 1 here. So 2197. 2197. So I hope you are getting how to find the cubes of 2-digit number that starts with 1. Okay, so one more example. One more example. So let us take a 14 cube. 14 cube. So see here, just write 1. Okay, right, just write 1, 4, 4 square, 4 cube. Okay, 1, 4, 4 square, 4 cube. 4, if it twice that 4, we get 8. If it twice the 16, we get 32. Okay, so right here, we get 4 here directly. Send 6 to the left side. So 16 plus 32, we get 48. 48 plus 6, we get 48 plus 6, we get 54. Okay, 4. And here we write 5 here. So 9 plus 8, we get 17. Okay, so 1, send 1 to the left side. So we get 2744. 2744. So see here how we are writing to find a cube of a 2-digit number that starts with 1. So write 1 and digit, digit square and digit cube. So twice the middle 2 numbers and do the process of addition. Okay, so 2744. Okay, right. Next, now we are you are finding the cubes. Okay, see here, similar process for 15 cube, 16 cube, 17 cube, 18 cube, 19 cube. Okay, and you know the 20 cube is 8,000. Why? Because 2 cube is 8. 20 cube is 8,000. Okay, so similar process. Practice. Once you practice these examples, you can easily do in less time while practicing some more examples. Okay, right. Next, here we are going to find the cubes of 2-digit number that ends with 1. That is 21, 31, 41, 51, so on 91. Okay, so in just now we discussed how to find the cube of number starting with 1. Now we are going to discuss the number ends with 1. We need to find the cube of the number ends with 1. Okay, right. So I am selecting 21 here. 21 cube. Okay, 21 cube. So if suppose we need to find 12, just write 2 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube. Okay, so from left side we started. If the number ends with 1, start from right side. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. Okay, so from right side onwards, 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube. Twice the middle number, 4, 8. Okay, so 1, 6, so 4 plus 8, 12, so 9 to 6, 1. 9 to 6, 1. Okay, are you getting? 9 to 6, 1. If you see that the, one more example for this, 31. Okay, so 31 cube. Okay, so 31 cube, if you see that, right, 1, 3, 3 square, 3 cube. Okay, so twice the number here, we get 6, here we get 18. Okay, so 1, 9, here 27, write 7 here, write 2 here. So 29791, 29791. So are you getting how to find a 2-digit number that ends with 1? So write from right side to 1, 1 and digit square, cube, and twice the middle terms, and add the process like this. Okay, so one more example. Okay, if you see that, one more example, 41 cube, 41 cube. So see here, 1, 4, 4 square 16, 4 cube 64. So twice the middle number. Okay, right. So 1, 12 we get. So here 48 plus 1, 49. Okay, so 68921. Okay, 68921. So what is the cube of 41 is 68921. Okay, right. Next. So similar way, you can find the cubes of 51 cube, 61 cube, 71 cube, 81 cube, 91 cube. Okay, right. Next. Okay, how to find with the cube of 2-digit number that have two same numbers, that is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Okay, the background work is same. Okay, but I will say a simple technique. Okay, so what is the cube of 11? Okay, 11 cube. Okay, see here, write. Okay, the digit is here 1. So write 1 cube 4 times. Okay, so 1 cube, 1 cube, 1 cube, 1 cube. Okay, so just twice the middle number, 2, 2. Okay, right. See here, 1, 3, 3, 1. So this is the 11 cube. Okay, right. Similar way, suppose we need to find the 22 cube. Okay, 22 cube. So what is the digit here? 2. So write 2 cube 4 times. Okay, so 2 cube is 8, 8, 8, 8. What is 2 cube? 8, 8, 8. Okay, so 4 times, and twice the middle number. Twice the middle number. So write 8 here. Okay, so just add. Okay, 24, we are getting 24. 8 plus 16, we get 24. So 24 plus 4, we get here to write 2 here. Okay, so 24 plus 2, 6 here, and write 2 here. Okay, 26. So 10648. 10648. Okay, so just now we discussed what is the suppose 11 cube ends with 1, the unit digit is 1. So 2 cube ends with 8, 22 cube unit digit is 8. So you must remember 1 to 10 cubes and what number comes in the unit place of that cube number. Okay. So, one more cube, okay, 33, if you see that 33, okay, 33 cube. So, write to 3 cube 4 times 27, 27, 27, 27, 4 times, just write 4 times. Twice the middle number, 27, twice we get 54, okay, 54, 54, okay, all right. So, take the unit digit 7 here and send 2 here, okay. So, 27 plus 54 we get 81 plus 2 83, okay, 27 plus 54 we get 81, okay, sorry, 27 plus 54 we get, right, 81 plus 2 83, okay. So, 81 plus 8 we get 89. So, we get 35937, 35937, okay, right. So, this is the cubes how to find the 2 digit having same number, okay. So, practice 44, 55, 66, 77, 88 up to 99, okay. Next, one more classification is pending. We discussed 3 classification, that is starting with 1, that is 13, 14, 15 up to 19, and ending with 1, 21, 31, 41, so on 91, and same number 11, 22, 33, so on 99. So, we know the we can know the shortcut technique how to find the cubes of these 3 classification. Here one more classification is there, that is 23, 34, 62, 82, like this, different number, 2 digit number having different numbers, okay, right. So, let us discuss the numbers, okay. First I will discuss the 23 cube, 23 cube. So, how to find 23 cube? Okay, write 23 here, okay, write 23 here, okay. So, here first digit is 2, write 2 cube, okay, first digit is 2, write 2 cube, and here last digit is 3, write 3 cube, 27, are you getting? So, write 2 cube and 3 cube. So, here first number square, 2 square is 4, okay, 2 square into 3, 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12, right here, okay. Next here 3 square is 9, 9 2 is 18, okay, are you getting? One more time, see here, write 23 here, okay, write 2 cube here, 3 cube here, okay. So, first number, suppose I am writing AB here. So, here you can write here A square B, here you can write B square A, just one, okay. So, A square into B, here B square into A, okay, right, okay. See here 23 cube, so 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, so 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12, 3 square 9, 9 2 is 18, okay. So, from here onwards same procedure, from here onwards same procedure, twice the middle number. So, 24, here we get 36, okay. So, just here 7 right here, send 2 to the here, okay. So, 18 plus 36 we get 54, 54 plus 2 56, okay. And here 12 plus 24 36, 36 plus 5 41. So, 12167, 12167. So, are you getting? See here, write 2 cube, 3 cube and 2 square into 3, 3 square into 2, okay. So, one more example, if you see that here one more example. So, I will take the value of 34, okay, or I will take the value 43, okay, 43 cube. So, write 4 3, okay, write 4 cube here 64, 3 cube here, 27. Okay, so here 4 square into 3, 4 square 16, 16 3s 48, 16 3s 48. 3 square into 4, 3 square 9, 9 4s 36. Okay, so just twice the middle number, 36, 36 we get 72, 48, 48, 96. Here onwards same procedure, here onwards same procedure. Okay, here we get a 7, send 2 here. So if you see that here 10, okay, 74 plus 36, 110. Okay, you write here a 1, 1 right here. Okay, so if you see that 36, 72, we get 108 plus 2, 110. So send write 0 here and 11 here. If you say that 48 plus 96, we get 144 plus 11, we get 155. So write 5 here, write 15 here. So 9, 79507, 79507. Okay, simple technique is there. So we find, we classified the 2-digit number in 4 ways, and we find cubes of starting with 1, cubes of ending with 1, cubes of different numbers, cube of 2-digit number that having same numbers. Okay, so now we discuss about how to find cubed root. Okay, how to find cubed root of a number. Okay, how to find cubed root of a number. So what is cubed root? Okay, if you see that here, what is cubed root of 8? Okay, what is cubed root of 8 means 8 to the power 1 by 3. 8 to the power 1 by 3. So 8 is nothing but 2 cube. Okay, 2 power 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 get cancelled, 2. So cubed root of 8 is equal to 2. So we know the cube directly, 2 cube is 8, and we can say directly cube root of 8 is equal to 2. So up to 10 we didn't bother about it. So about what is the cube root of 729? Directly we can say that is 9. 9. Why? Because 9 cube is 729. So what about that cube root of 4096? What about some numbers are come? How to find? Okay, so here one example is there. Cube root of 4096. How to find cube root of 4096? If you see that, then the 4096 is an interesting number that comes under squares also. That comes under squares also, and it is comes under cubes also. How to find cube root of a certain number? In simple way, less than 5 seconds. Okay, so first of all see here, just divide, okay, just divide last 3 numbers. Okay, just divide last 3 numbers. So if you see that which number cube has ending with 6? Okay, which number cube has ending with 6? So 1 cube ends with 1, 2 cube ends with 8, 3 cubes ends with 7, 4 cube ends with 4, 5 cube ends with 5, 6 cube ends with 6. So this is the one number that is ending with 6. Okay, write 6 here. Okay, and if you see that which number is there here? 4. So see here, 4 is just after 1 cube. 4 is just after 1 cube. 4 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. 4 is just after 1 cube. Just write 16. Okay, so 16 cube is our answer. Okay, 16 cube is our answer. So are you getting? Okay, so here see that cube root of 4096. So unit digit that cube root ends with 6 means the number is also 6. Okay, just divide last 3 numbers. So this number has having 4 means that is just after 1 cube. Okay, so that is 16. That is 16. Okay, right. One more example. So 13824. 13824. So if you see that a cube root of 13824. So which cube having end with 4? Which cube are having end with 4 means 4 cube means unit digit of a number is 4, then the cube of that number ends with 4. See here, 4 cube ends with 4. Okay, if unit digit of a number is 4, then its cube is also ends with 4. So here we have unit digit is 4. So just subtract last 3 digits. Just subtract last 3 digits. So here what is the number? 13. 13 is approximately nearer to 13 is nearer to 2 cube. Okay, after 2 cube we can see 13. After 2 cube is 8. So after that we can see 13. So just write here 22 here. So 24 cube is the 13824. Cube root of 13824 is 24. Okay, right. Next. So cube root of 3, 5, 9, 3, 7. Okay. So which cube has ending with 7? 3. Okay. So if the cube of a number ends with 7 means that is the number is ends with 3. So write 3 here. So separate last 3 digits. If you see that 35 is after which cube? 35 is after which cube? 35 is just after 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. After 27 we get 35. So just write 3 here. So 33 cube is 35937. Cube root of 35937 is 33. Okay, right. Next, one more example. So if you see that cube root of 97336. 97336. So which number having end with 6 means that is 6. Okay, 6 cube ends with 6. So this number cube also ends with 6. Just separate the last 3 digits. So 97 is after which cube? So 4 cube is 64, then after 97 will come. If you see that 5 cube is 125, don't write 125 cube. After which cube having 97 is 4 cube, just write 4 cube. Okay, 46 cube is that value. Okay, 46 is that value. So one more number, right. So if you see that, if you have good at 1 to 20 cubes, you can find the large cube root values also. Okay, okay, right. So which number ending with 8? 2 cube ends with 8. Okay, just separate last 3 digits. 373 is after which cube? 7 cube is 343. So after that it is there 72 cube is answer is 72. Answer is 72. Okay, answer is 72. Okay, right. So these are the some shortcut techniques how to find cubes of 2-digit number in simple way in less time, and how to find cube root of a perfect number up to 100. Okay. So first time it takes some time, some difficulty to practice. If you practice a few examples from 11 to 100, you can get a very simple way and less time in examination. If you see that in simplification problems for banking or in simplification problem for RRB, some questions are asking from cubes, cube roots, squares, square roots. So while practicing some more examples, maximum examples, you can crack the question and you can get the good marks in that particular examination. So thank you for watching.